Hi everyone, I'm Petros from PowerCat. In this video, we'll see how we can trigger attended desktop flows in picture-in-picture. With this feature, we can continue working on our desktop while the flow is running, without having to wait for it to be completed. One way to trigger attended flows in this mode is through Power Automate console. Select your flow and hit Run in picture-in-picture. After logging in, the flow will start running within a virtual window that replicates your desktop. Basically, it has the same resources as your desktop. Now, as a best practice, we could keep this window open, so any subsequent run will be triggered faster, and it will not have to wait for the session and the applications to load. We can minimize the window or maybe move it somewhere on the screen, so to just leave it there and monitor the execution of the flow. And with the view-only option, the mouse and keyboard won't even interfere with the bot at all. And we can continue working on the machine while the flow is running. We can set a flow to always run in picture-in-picture when triggered locally through the console or its run URL. Go to its properties and enable this option. To schedule a flow to run in this mode, open the properties of the Desktop Flows Connector Cloud action and select Picture-in-Picture in the Attended Mode parameter. And the flow will start running locally within the Picture-in-Picture window whenever it's triggered. To debug a flow in this mode, enable the Picture-in-Picture mode through the designer. Now, whenever we hit Run in the designer, the flow will run directly within this window. This way, we can make sure it will run successfully later in production. If we're doing web automation, then by default the browser will open with a new user data folder that is used for the picture-in-picture runs. As a best practice, we'll need to ensure the Power Automate browser extension is enabled. For that, we can trigger a flow that opens the browser in picture-in-picture and make sure the extension is installed and enabled. Now it's not here, so let's get it from the store. To monitor the flow runs in picture-in-picture, go to Desktop Flow Runs in the portal and filter by run mode.